It's a fizzy reaction. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god!
Wow!
Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you this thing. My first science kit. Let's get into it. This creates a lot of energy. It comes with the box. It comes with everything. It has all the ingredients. This is the manual. Whatever you want to create, you can choose. And those are the ingredients. You get them out like this. And I'm gonna pick one.
What is that?
Wait, we have like
Glasses. Those are the kits. Like
these are the protection kits. to
growing
protect you.
crystals, experiment materials,
We have. I'm gonna use this glasses.
crystal glowing tree, underwater
Safety first,
volcano,
guys. Safety first.
crystal coated pipe cleaner, make expanding snow, fizzy reactions, traveling rainbows, collection fingerprints, magical stand. Has so many things. Turn water into ice, non-Newtonian fluids, rainbow snake bubbles. Let's do this.
I
Or
want to do the crystal.
Pharaoh's
I want to do the crystal.
Serpent. Make color eggs. Rainbow cabbage.
Let's do
Color
underwater.
changing jellyfish.
Let's do crystal. Let's do crystal.
Change colors. Okay, and those are the kits.
Okay.
So basically,
I got the
like
gloves on.
crystal glowing tree set. Crystal growing
Oh yes,
set.
I want this one right here.
Okay, let's do it. So we're gonna be doing the growing crystals, and those are all the instructions in here. Crystal seed rock. So we need the measuring cup, stir rod, crystal growing set, and clean water. We can get that heated above 203 Fahrenheit. For the crystal powder, stir, stir, stir. 4 minutes.
Now we put everything, and now we have to wait for a few days. And watch the crystals grow. Now we're gonna make expanding snow. This is immediate.
These are the ingredients: water absorbing polymer, 2
Pour
measuring cups, color agent, coloring food, which is those.
Pour 1 sample spoon of water.
So we put a sample spoon of this powder, the absorbing polymer, 20 ml of water.
On top of this, of the powder.
Okay. Turn it upside down after 5 seconds. Wow, what happened? Oh, nice. And then add food coloring to the water and pour it into a measuring cup filled with water absorbing powder
Okay,
to
we
make
need
colorful
more
snow.
water.
Wow, what happened? Oh. Add just color red. And let's see.
Stir it.
What's going on?
It feels like snow.
What? Wow.
Touch it.
Let's see. Wow. The snow is expanding.
What?
Wow.
Dude. That feels like snow. Dude. Wait,
What?
what? That's so weird.
Oh.
Look. What? I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and bye.